Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So here we go. It came in this really big box. Here's the receipt, and here's the box. Here we go. Alright, let's take her out. Oh, she's kind of heavy. So here she is. And guess what color it is? It is in the damier bin. So here she is. I got the one with the cherry interior. I'm just gonna inspect her real quick. So this is what the bag looks like. You can cinch the sides, the bottom. Doesn't have any feet. The interior has one zip pocket. I did notice that when I opened the box, this does have a strong chemical smell, and that's probably because of the treated leather. Just something to note. And of course it comes with the little pochette with the matching collar interior. It has one slip pocket inside. SKU number and the textile card. Some people like to use this as a little clutch or a little wristlet. I think for me, I would primarily use this with the bag. Probably just keep some receipts or like smaller items that I don't want to get lost in the bag. This can also be great if you are doing a quick errand and you don't want to carry the whole bag with you, so just enough room for a small wallet, your keys, your phone, that sort of thing. This is what the inside looks like. It has the hook to help close the bag a little bit. So if you want to make it look a little differently, I was thinking of actually cinching it on the sides and wearing it like that. This is what it looks like when you cinch the sides. I did get an organizer. This one is from Amazon. So this has two front pockets, and it has, I believe, It has 9 pockets, 2 on each side, and then 3 in the front, and then 2 right here, and then it has 1 giant pocket in the back. This was pretty inexpensive. This was like $13.99 from Amazon. So let's see if this one fits. This one is in a size large, and if it's still available, I'll try to link it down below. So that is what it looks like with the insert. I think it matches pretty well in color. I'll try to close it and see what it looks like when it is cinched as well. So this is what it looks like with the organizer inside. I don't think it really distorts the shape of the bag. It kind of gives it a little bit more structure. So if you like a more structured bag, I would suggest getting an organizer. I think it also helps to keep the structure at the bottom, just because I think over time, when you put too many things, or if you've had it for a long time, it can tend to sag at the bottom. So an organizer will help lessen that. So I'm just gonna put some things that I bring with me on a regular basis, and I'll show you how that looks like. So I have her packed with the organizer inside. So this is what it looks like inside. Let me go ahead and uncinch the sides so you can get a better view. So I decided to put other things that I wouldn't normally bring, just to give you an idea of what fits inside. So in here, I normally bring my headphones with me to work. I have a couple of mini pochettes. I normally put either like toiletries or a lip product or some electronic like cable or USB brick. And I have the wet wipes, because you know you need these. I have the sunglasses. This is from Key Australia. So I also put the mini iPad, my current wallet, and I haven't used the pochette yet, but I'll probably put like paper, like receipts, just so it doesn't look messy. And then on this zip pocket, I'm probably just gonna put my keys in here. This is my 4-key holder, and that's what I have inside. I mean, it's pretty spacious. I could probably put a whole lot, but the main reason why I got this bag was because I've noticed that whenever I'm running errands or going, you know, grocery shopping or just buying a few things, be nice to have a bag that I can put some of my things in, so that I don't always have to bring a bag or buy a bag from the store. I thought this would also be a great travel bag, you know, for carry-on or for like a weekend bag, just to bring with me for an overnight stay. So those are the main reasons why I got this bag, and I realized a lot of my bags are pretty compact, so this is a pretty big change from what I normally get. This is probably my favorite canvas from Louis Vuitton, just because it's carefree. I love the contrast with the brown and the red. I think that's just a great color combination, and it's just a classic bag. You can't really go wrong with the Neverfull. In 5-10 years, this is still gonna look good. And I've seen some reviews of people that have had this for a few years, and it still looks pretty new, and that's why I chose this canvas over the monogram or the Damier Azur. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my quick unboxing of the Neverfull MM, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please check out my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks guys. Bye.